Hello, my name is Guy Hodges and I'm a project manager at Platform Transition. I'm going to give you a demonstration of our duplicate suppression system. Here you can see a traditional names map that we supply for our clients. The objective is that the clients will go through and they will eradicate duplicates. And normally duplicates can be quite easy to see because we send the list to them in alphabetical order, but not always are the duplicates going to be so close to each other in an alphabetical order list. Sometimes they're very difficult to find. So we've developed an algorithm that will match through all the different combinations, every possible combination of all the elements in our list, and come up with a ranking. And here we have a ranking where every potential matching has a score, and here this maximum score here is 2.925, and we supply this list, which in this case we cut off at 1.4. The best matches are at the top. Here you can see the very best match here, which you can see the strings are very similar. Not only that, you can see that this string was identified to be a customer, and whereas this one was given a vendor ID. Now the client can see this and they will be able to determine that, well, okay, this really is the same entity and we want them to be merged. So we have a customized toolbar here where they can carry out different operations. So here, first of all, let's look at it on the names map. Okay, so here are these two here is what we've identified. Our algorithm has identified these as the two potential duplicates. We're going to merge these so that both of them are going to have this customer ID and also have this vendor ID. So here the client decides this is the string that they want to have prevail. They're going to use a merge, and we're going to merge from 1 because we're taking string 1. And so we click on that. That match has now disappeared from this list. And if we come here, now we see that it's the names have been automatically updated according to what the client required. So now we can also do multiple matches here. If the client has determined that, yes, these are all potential duplicates, that they have decided they are duplicates and we want them to merge from the one, then they're able to process them all at the same time. They've now all gone from the top of this list. The client works his way through the list until he's quite happy that there are no more duplicates. There are other examples here. This one here, for example, we've got Blue Elephant Learning Center, and here the Blue Elephant Learning Center. In an alphabetically ordered list, these are pretty much impossible to identify. Our example list here has got, right at the bottom, there's over 4,000 items here. Okay. So here's an example here. The client decides, yes, well, we really want this to be called the Blue Elephant Learning Center. We want this to be overwritten. So we don't want this customer ID to be used at all. We want this one here. Okay. And also I want to show where this is on the template. So here's the template here. This is the Blue Elephant Learning Center that we now want to eradicate. So we've selected that. Now we're going to overwrite with 2. All right, it's gone. Over here on the template, it's automatically been hashed out. Over on the names map, here we have the Blue Elephant Learning Center. It's got C2580. And up the top here in row 543, Blue Elephant Learning Center, it also has been, this is the one that has been overwritten. It's now also got to C2580. So that string still in our map hasn't been eliminated from the map, but it's not going to be uploaded into through the template. So again, client can select various rows, can in this case overwrite 2. This makes it, this is a way that the client is able to work faster through the list. Further down, we get matches which aren't so clear, that they're not necessarily going to be duplicates. See here, for example, like in technical college, linear technical college, they're quite similar because it's latched onto the technical and also college. But here we're quite clear that we're not going to regard this. So in this case, the client will disregard the match. And again, that will disappear from the suggestion list. So the client can go through and try to find as many of the duplicates as they can. This list here is almost 2,000 according to our cutoff point at 1.4. 2,000 is a lot less than 9 million, which is all the possible combinations with a list of 4,300 items in the names list. If you had to do every single combination and check every single one of them, you'd need to do 9 million checks. Here we've limited it down to a lot less than 1%. So that is our duplicate suppression system. Thank you very much.